So hey guys, it's me Maya again. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today I decided to do a vlog. I don't really know why, I just felt like it. I kind of have a boring life, but you know, I just felt like doing vlogs because apparently that's the new thing in the YouTube world. And recently I've been watching a lot of Emma Chamberlin, like the YouTuber. She is so funny and she does vlogs, and yeah, go check her out if you haven't seen her videos. They're so funny, oh my god. So yeah, I felt like doing a vlog. Also, some of you guys voted against me doing a vlog because I did one of those like YouTube poll things, but here I am.
It's the one and only double G.
So I don't know if you can tell, but my voice still sounds kind of weird because I was really sick, but now I'm a bit better, so yay. So this vlog is probably going to be in the course of a few days because I have a really boring life and I don't do a lot of things. So here's my little outfit of the day here. Yeah, but my winter jacket has to ruin everything because it's like minus freaking 30 degrees. And I'm not even exaggerating, it sucks. Okay, so today we're going to a store where you can buy Japanese food. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm half Japanese, so yeah. Wow. It's frozen.
Please take it.
No. So that was a very successful trip. Like we got a lot of stuff, I know, and we were leaving the store all holding 2 bags each, like flipping our hair, like we were pretending we were rich. And the total was $130. Like we bought a lot of stuff, and we bought like this one really exciting thing. It's like a Japanese snack grab bag, and it's like worth $30, but it's like $15. Yeah, I'll do a mini haul for you guys when we go home. And the lady, she was like really nice, and she gave us milk tea candies too. So do you have yours? Yeah, and so Mika and I, we both got these Japanese candy grab bags, so once we get home we'll show you what's inside them. Look how cool that is. I am so excited. Also, like, you know how YouTubers do like testing weird Japanese foods? That'd be a good idea. You just grab that and then you get a whole bunch of random things to try. Okay, so apparently there's like one drink.
So apparently in those like grab bags, there's like one candy kind of thing, one chocolate kind of thing, one drink, and one like cracker kind of snack thing. So that's pretty exciting, and I can't wait to go home and open it. I'm so excited.
Wait, I could get copyrighted. I gotta turn it off. Okay, so up next, we're going to T&T, which is an Asian supermarket. Did you think we were done with all the Asian shopping? So while my mom's buying some stuff, thank you, my sister and we have some bubble tea, which is like the best thing ever if you don't know. And yeah, we're sitting in the corner of the whole store because we hate people, right? We hate people. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Water is not wet. You're stupid. You think water is wet? It's wet. No, the thing itself is not wet.
So my phone is at 3%, so my phone's about to die, so that means the vlog is about to die. So I'll see you all later when I'm at my house with my charger. I didn't breathe in that whole sentence. Wow, that's impressive. We're back in the car. We're done shopping there. And holy Jesus, it's so cold. I started crying because it was so cold and my tears froze. Also, it's only 5 o'clock and it's dark. Is that normal? Because it makes me seriously so sad. It makes me like...
Okay, so I got too excited and I opened it off camera, but you're lucky you didn't see my first reactions because I was screaming at the top of my lungs the whole time because I was so excited. So, I repackaged it and I'm going to show you what I got inside. Comes with a cute label like this. It's really hard to choose one, by the way. There's so many, and you gotta go with your gut. So, starting off, for the drink, I got this, like, I think it's orange juice. Natchan, yeah? And then next, I got these, like, cracker things. They look really good. I'm really excited to try them. And then next, are, but they say milk and stuff on them. What are these? Mama, do you know what they are? I don't know, but they look good. They kind of remind me of cream puffs, but they're dry, I think. So that's this. This one I was so pumped about, and they're like little potato sticks. They kind of remind me of French fries, but they're not French fries. I'm so bad at explaining things. But yeah, I love these, so I was so excited. Up next, we have these shrimp crackers. Shrimp crackers. They look really good. I'm excited to try these as well. Oh, drop my nut down. Next, these are like candy things, and they say like vitamin C. And yeah, apparently if you get one with a smiley face on it, that's like super lucky. So maybe I'll be like really lucky and get a smiley face vitamin C. And then next I got these like almond chocolates. Meiji, so that's a good company. So this is like the lucky thing out of the bag. But I can't eat these anyway, so yeah. And lastly, I got these strawberry gummies. They look pretty cute. They look pretty good. So I was so excited. I think I got a good batch. I got a good batch of stuff. So I'm pretty happy. And I got some pretty good stuff. So yeah. In my bag, I got some chocolate kind of thing. I got some really good milk tea, and I love this. So I know, she's so lucky. I really wanted this, but I got orange juice. But I'm still thankful because I got orange juice. I got some grape gummies. I got some Meiji chocolate, which is really good. So that's pretty exciting. Got these like potato stick kind of things. Wow, look at you being a YouTuber. Like these vegetable cracker thingies. I don't know what to call them, but and they're fish shaped. Yeah, or animals. Two different types of crackers, which they're really good. And lastly, this, I don't know what to call it. It's like strawberry chocolate infused kind of thing. It's really good though. So yeah.
So hey guys, Happy New Year. It is the next day now, and it is New Year's Eve today, but by the time you're watching this, it's probably 2018. How's it going so far? I'm kind of scared for 2018. But yeah. It's again really cold, but today we are heading to the mall. And I have quite a bit of things I want. I don't know if I'll get to buy them all, but yeah, I probably won't vlog much in the mall, but I'll see you guys most likely after. Successful trip. I didn't buy as many things as I thought I would, but I got a few nice things, so and also enjoy Mika singing back there. So yeah, I'll see you guys. So I realized I never finished this vlog, and it's already the 12th, and I was filming this on the 1st, so I'm a great procrastinator. Again, I apologize. And if you've seen my last video, like the audio got cut off because YouTube hates me, and I don't know what's going on, and I don't know how to fix all this stuff. Yeah, it's really frustrating, so that's why my posting schedule is all messed up, so I'm really sorry about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you want more vlogs, like comment down below and like this video, because I don't know, do people like vlogs? I mean, I like watching vlogs, but like I don't know if people like watching my vlogs, because my life is like hella boring. So yeah, if you do, make sure you let me know. And subscribe if you're interested, if you're new. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!